Welcome to our channel. Today, we're thrilled to introduce the 2025 Volkswagen Scirocco, a car that redefines the driving experience. Are you ready for a vehicle that combines power, speed, and innovation? Look no further. The Scirocco is a masterpiece designed to conquer new heights. With its powerful, bold, and stunning design, the Scirocco turns heads. The wide front grille, matrix LED headlights, and vibrant blue color make it a standout on any road. Its robust wheels and muscular lines showcase its ability to tackle any terrain. Step inside, and you'll be greeted with an interior that offers comfort, elegance, and cutting-edge tech. High-quality leather seats, ambient lighting, and a large digital display make every journey enjoyable. Under the hood, a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine delivers 320 horsepower. Combined with all-wheel drive and finely tuned suspension, this coupe offers optimal performance in any condition. Safety is also top-notch, with advanced driver assistance systems and safety features. The infotainment system enhances your driving experience, making it more enjoyable. Starting at around $40,000, the 2025 Volkswagen Scirocco is a testament to Volkswagen's commitment to innovation and excellence. Join us as we explore the Scirocco's features: premium leather seats, advanced safety features, matrix LED headlights, 2.0L turbocharged engine, all-wheel drive, digital display, infotainment system. Like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and automotive news. Hit the notification bell for updates. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts on the 2025 Volkswagen Scirocco. We'll see you in the next video. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell.